Hey, what's up guys? So it's your girl Queen Lika and I am back again anyway. So today guys, I really did a lot of activities and my battery was low. My battery died. So I'm just from swimming. This is when I'm charging my camera, and now I'm gonna bath, head out for dinner, then we have a bonfire. So I pray that all is gonna be well, and I'm gonna see maybe Abel perform or something, or sing a song for us. I'm not promising, but let's hope he's gonna do that when we're by the fire. So yeah, I'm gonna see you. Let me just bath, then to meet the guys. Yeah. So they're just lighting this fire. This is where we are by the I'm alone at the moment. People are gonna be coming around maybe in the next 5 minutes. Then we'll play games, we'll have fun, and we'll go and sleep. Then tomorrow in the morning after breakfast we go on a boat. It's gonna be lit. So this is our fire, guys, and then there is another party there. I hear there is a birthday party. As you can see, there are people. So as we're going to be here, I pray people are going to start coming. So I'm actually in my warm clothes today. I have my shoes on, socks. These are pajamas. Oh, they are sweatpants. I'm in this amazing person with very amazing hairstyle, this woody, and yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you this. That's where the lake is. I'm gonna show you where the lake is tomorrow, so that and we're going on a boat. Then we'll have to swim. We'll buy some carpenter. We'll buy some fish. So I'm gonna show you how much carpenter costs and some fish here in Siavonga, some fresh fish. Then we'll hit the road. So yeah.
We'll start introducing ourselves. Right.
That's the concentration.
Yes. Me, I'll start with myself. Wait, I'm seated or I'm standing?
Okay, no problem.
Anyway.
My name.
Your name?
Okay. My names are James Tumba. Yes.
Tumba.
Parakata.
What's the name?
Tumba.
Anyway. That's the name.
Yes.
No shaking.
My name is Makungu Wenge. Mevelo.
Amen.
Yes.
This is Lawrence.
Maybe.
The man here is my husband.
Happy birthday to you. Introduce yourself.
We love you.
How many bottles of water do we have here? I think someone needs to drink water.
Get the people.
Hi.
My name is Mtemwa.
Nice to meet you.
This is my wife. And we are from Musuka.
Woo!
Continue with the celebrations of the birthday, which was on Friday.
Stand up.
How
Madam Gordy.
My governor name is Walia Sofia Chivesakunda, and aka Bombshell, and I'm here courtesy of TryZambia.
Not working.
Nice to meet you.
Not working.
Bombshell, thank you.
There's no music yet, you'll see.
So my name is Yasmin. You can call me Yasmin, whatever you put there.
What? Spell it with a Z or an S?
S. It's like Yasmin. S. Depending on
Like
how
an
you
S.
pronounce it. So it's Yasmin. Yasmin. Yasmin.
Yes.
In the bongers. Okay. Let us see of the dranga chief. So yes, next. But cancelled. Wait.
First, let's just give you
Woo!
Alright. My name is Abel and Musuka. I am an upcoming artist. Hey, listen.
Imangama ezi angati upcoming.
What's the breakout budget for breakout for Avakuzi? You're upcoming! But now we're in the time. But I'm here courtesy of TryZambia.
Woo!
You know, just keeping it real. Just want people to see Zambia.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because all those pictures that people like posting of white people and saying come to Zambia, people always think like, oh man, that thing must be expensive or in pounds. But it's in kwacha, bro. You can come here and chill with your friends. And look at us, we're at the beach. We're not in Miami, bro. In Miami, you can tell your friends and say, look, we're at the beach. Then in Zambia, and this guy, Smash was there, making it happen.
Big man. Big man thing.
Big up.
Mushroom material.
Big man thing.
Next.
Okay, yeah, my name's Mark Lugumbe. I represent TryZambia.
My legal name is You can call me Fallin.
I will call you the name that your mother named you. I will call you Falika. I don't know. Falika.
Lika.
Hey, we not know.
Okay, so it goes back to me.
I'm flying with the fishing for you.
Concentration.
Concentration.
Natia pisa kutala Etikali chapebana Ukagawa zechinda bakulu babuza Kutinamuna samadira
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
But something else.
It's okay.
No, I get this step. Ready?
Natia pisa kutala Etikali chapebana Ukagawa zechinda bakulu babuza Kutinamuna samadira Pesa kuchinda panga nyumba Kama madambanga ganja Bali person in my pressure, don't ever be a letdown Mwamuna samalira, mutima ulia Chibaba, kisaka sila liti Chifoko kosa kone, wakungo kumiza Mwamuna samalira, mutima ulia Chibaba, kisaka sila liti Chifoko kosa kone, wakungo kumiza Mwamuna samalira 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 Atete wakipe banafa
guys, I got my dinner. It's actually late. It's 22:48. So I just got my dinner, then I came to my room. So I'm having rice, chicken, and some vegetables. Let me show you. So I'm having rice, some vegetables here, and chicken. Then once I eat, I'm going to sleep. Then tomorrow in the morning, it's another day. We'll see what we are going to do tomorrow. So from me and my worms, it's bye. Peace.